So we'll be solving number 3 from chapter 5, hard questions. So number 3 states, the price elasticity of demand for Dr. Pepper is about 0.4. A government policy aimed at discouraging the consumption of soda and reducing the public obesity rate increased the price of a bottle of Dr. Pepper from $2 to $6. According to the midpoint method, the government policy should have reduced the consumption of Dr. Pepper by 30%, 80%, 25%, or 40%. Okay. So it says to use the midpoint method, right? So let's just go ahead and write down the midpoint method. So price elasticity of demand is equal to percent change in quantity demanded over the percent change, right? And this will be equal to quantity points divided by their midpoint. Right? And then this will be, I guess we can, that's better. And this will be 2 corresponding prices. So look up the midpoints, the midpoint price. So this is the midpoint method for price elasticity of demand. Okay, so well, we already know that the price elasticity of demand is 0.4, right? And we know that the price increased from $2 to $6. What we don't know is the percent change in quantity, right? We don't know anything about the quantity, right? So that's what we're going to be solving for, right? So if we use this method, right, so we know we're not going to get any of these quantities, right? We're actually going to solve for this percentage change, right? We are given the elasticity of demand, and we are given P2 and P1, right? P1 is 2, and P2 is 6, right? You can put it in either order, it doesn't matter. Okay, so we have the elasticity, which is 0.4. Okay, we're going to have X as the percentage change. That's what we're going to be looking for. That's what we're solving for, right? The percentage change in quantity demanded of Dr. Pepper. Okay. Now we can fill in P2 and P1. Again, it doesn't matter if you do 2 minus 6 or 6 minus 2, right? We know that elasticity of demand is negative, so that's not important. Definitely important to know the law of demand, but this calculation. Okay. Well, we can do the algebra. So 6 minus 2 is 4. That's got 4 divided by 6 plus 2, which is 8, divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4, and then 4 divided by 4 is 1. So this would just be equal to X. Right? So the change in quantity demanded is equal to 0.4. Right? And to put it in percentage terms, that would be 40%. Right? So the percent change in quantity demanded is equal to 40%. So the answer is D.